the equation of straight lines. Today we are going to solve problems based on intercept form. What about the equation of the straight line in intercept form? Intercept form. Equation of straight lines in intercept form. Yes? Gauri, equation of straight line in intercept form. Gauri, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Equation of straight line in intercept form. Equation of straight line in intercept form. Aparna?
Ma'am, x by a plus y by b equal to 1.
X by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Where a and b are x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay. Now write the question. Write the question. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line that cuts off. Find the equation of a line that cuts off equal intercepts. That cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. Find the equation of the line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. And passes through the... Yes?
Can you say again?
Find the equation of the line that cuts off... Shubham? Find the equation of the line that cuts off equal intercepts on the coordinate axis, that cuts off equal intercepts and the coordinate axis and passes through the point 2, 3. And passes through the points 2, 3. Children, all of you please mute it. Listen children, what is given here? Find the equation of the line that cuts equal intercepts on the coordinate axis. So what is given? The intercepts are equal. Okay, it is given that intercepts are equal. The intercepts are equal and the line passes through the point. The line passes through the point. What is the point given here? It passes through the point 2, 3. It is given the intercepts are equal. So that means x-intercept is equal to y-intercept. Is it correct? X-intercept we denote it as A will be same as y-intercept B. X-intercept is same as y-intercept. So what is the equation of the line in intercept form? The equation of line in intercept form is by A, y by B is equal to 1. Now A is equal to B, isn't it? Therefore we can write x by A plus y by A is equal to 1. That is x plus y is equal to A. Is it correct? It is given it cuts equal intercept. Intercept is same as y-intercept. So A will be same as B. So in the place of B we can replace with A. So on cross multiplying you will get x plus y is equal to A. Also it is given it passes through. It passes through the point. What is the point given here? 2, 3. So when you substitute here x is 2, y is 3. 2 plus 3 is equal to A. Therefore, A is 5. Therefore, the line is, therefore, the equation of the line is equal to 5. That is x plus y minus 5 is 0. What is it?
X plus y is
Gauri? Is it okay, children? It passes through the point 2, 3. So you put x is 2, y is 3. Therefore, you will get a is 5. So in the place of a, we can substitute 5. So it will be the equation of the line. X plus y is equal to 5. If you are writing in general form, you will get x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Aryan, is this okay? Aryan? Achyut, is it clear? Is it okay? This model, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write the next one. Okay, Aryan. Write the next one. Next question is again an important one. Find the equation of the line. Next question is again an important one. Today the questions which we are learning are in based on intercept form, and all the questions are important questions. Today we are learning the questions based in intercept form, and almost all the questions today we are discussing are important questions. Write the question. Find the equation of the line passing through 2, 2. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 2, 2. Passing through 2, 2. And cutting off intercepts on the axis. And cutting off intercepts on the axis. And cutting off intercepts on the axis whose sum is 9. Whose sum is 9. So, what are the things given here? The line passes through the point. The line passes through the point 2, 2, and sum of the intercepts is 9. It is given that sum of intercept is 9. Sum of the intercepts is 9. So, it is given in intercept, isn't it? So, we can take the equation of the line in intercept form. So, let the equation of line be x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Let the equation of the line be x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Sum of intercept is 9. That means a plus b is equal to 9. Therefore, what is a? A will be 9 minus b. Therefore, a is 9 minus b. Therefore, the equation will become x by 9 minus b plus y by b is equal to 1. Is it okay? The place of a we can replace with 9 minus b. We can substitute a as 9 minus b. Now, the line passes through 2, 2. The line passes through the points 2, 2. So we can substitute these values for x and y. When you substitute these values for x and y, you will get 2 by 9 minus b plus 2 by b is equal to 1. Is it okay? It is given. The line passes through the point 2, 2. So in the place of x, you can put 2, y also has 2. So 2 by 9 minus b plus 2 by b is equal to 1. Now take the commoners. So 2b minus 2 into 9 minus b by 9 minus b into b is equal to 1. So when you cross multiply this, 2b minus 18 plus 2b is equal to 9b minus b square. Is it okay? Oh, sorry, here it is plus. So it is plus 18 minus 2b. So plus 2b minus 2b will get cancelled. 18 is equal to 9b minus b square. That is b square minus 9b plus 18 is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation. Now solving this, find out what are the values of b. Solve this and find out the values of b. What are the values of b you will get?
Six or three.
Very good. It is 6 or 3. Children, are you able to follow this? Krishna Chandran, is it okay? Krishna Chandran, are you getting this one?
Yes,
Any doubt? Up to this, is it okay, children? I'll explain it again. Listen, this model question is important. It is given. The sum of the intercepts is 9. So it is given in intercept form. So we are taking the equation of line in intercept form as x by a plus y by b is 1. Sum of the intercepts. So a plus b is 9. From here we are calculating what is a. So in the equation, instead of a, we can write it with 9 minus b. Now it is given the line passes through the point 2, 2. So you can put x is 2 and y is 2. So 2 by 9 minus b plus 2 by b is equal to 1. Now you cross multiply, simplify. On simplifying, you will get a quadratic equation. On simplifying, we are getting a quadratic equation. Okay, and we have solved this equation and we get the values of a as 6 and 3. So we are getting two different values. So when b is 3, correspondingly, what is the value of a? Atul, b is 3. What is the value of a? Already it is given. A plus b is 9, isn't it? So what is the value of a? Yes. Atul. Are you able to solve this? Up to this, is it okay? Gayatri?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Atul, can you give the answer, Atul? When b is 3, what is a?
6, ma'am.
Yes, b is 6.
6.
Yes, okay, correct. Therefore, what is the equation? So equation of the line is x by 6 plus y by 3 is equal to 1. So now this one we can write in general form, isn't it? We can make this as 6. So what is the equation? X plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the equation. You can simplify this. Cross multiply and simplify it. Now take the next case. When b is 6, what is a? When b is 6, what is the value of a? In that case, what is the equation of line? What will be the equation of line? Achyut, is it okay, Achyut? Aishwarya,
Yes, ma'am.
is it okay? Any doubt in this question?
No, ma'am.
Aditya, Satyan, Dia, is it clear? Aditya, Dia,
Yes, ma'am.
no doubt. Are you able to follow this? Tomlin, Emmanuel, Michael, and all switch on your video. Naurin, when b is 6, what is the value of a?
3.
3, good. And in this case, what is the equation of the line? X by 3 plus y by 6 is equal to 1. So it will be the equation of the line. What is the equation of the line in general form? Is it over, children? Is it okay? Any doubt in this questions? Is it clear? Krishna Chandran, any doubt?
No, no.
Shall we move on to the next one? Write the next one. P of A comma B, capital P of A comma B is the midpoint. P of A comma B is the midpoint of the line segments between the axes. P of A comma B is the midpoint of the line segments between the axes. Show that the equation of the line is x by A plus y by B is equal to 2. Show that the equation of the line is x by A plus y by B is equal to 2. Read the question, children. It is given P of A comma B is the midpoint of the line segment between the axes. So let's take this as x-axis and y-axis. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. So the line cuts the x-axis at the point A and y-axis at the point B. So AB is the part intercepted between the axes. Is it clear? AB is the part of the line segment which is intersected between the axes. Okay, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, we are taking a line. That line is intercepted by the axis. It is cut by the x-axis and y-axis. Now read the question. What is given? P of A comma B is the midpoint of the line segment between the axes. So AB is the line segment between the axes. And P is the midpoint. Okay. So here, let us take, let AB be the line segment. AB be the line segment between the axes, cut between the axes, between the two axes, x-axis and y-axis. And P is the midpoint of AB. And P is the midpoint of AB. Okay, now look at the point A. Where is the point A lying? Point A lies on? Point A lies on? That is the point x-axis. And what we know about a point on x-axis? On x-axis?
Y coordinate is 0.
Y coordinate is 0. Okay. So therefore, we can take the point A as. Okay. So let the point A be x comma 0. Is it correct? The point A is x comma 0. And what about the point B?
0, y.
The point B is 0 comma y. Is it okay? The point A is x comma 0 and this y. Now, what is the midpoint of AB? Now, can we find out the midpoint of AB? What is the midpoint? How to find the midpoint? Midpoint formula. x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. So, midpoint of AB is x plus 0 by 2. Add the x coordinates and divide by 2. Add the y coordinates and divide it by 2. But it is given as this is same as a comma b. So x by 2 comma y by 2 is equal to a comma b. Is it okay? So when you equate this, what you will get? So x by 2 is equal to a. Therefore, what is the x?
2A.
2a. Therefore, x is 2a. Similarly, what is the value of y?
2b.
2b. So x is equal to 2a. Similarly, when you equate it, y by 2 is b. Therefore, y is equal to 2b. Therefore, what will be the point A? Therefore, the point capital A is it 2a, 0? And what about the point B? 0, 2b. Isn't it? Is or not? Is it clear, children? We are getting point A as 2a, 0 and point B as 0, 2b. Okay, now listen. Now listen, children. So, we got the value of A. Ax, 0. We got the value of A is 2a, 0. And the point B is 0, 2b. That means this x-intercept. What is the length of x-intercept here? The point where it cuts the x-axis. So what is the x-intercept? Is it 2a? And what about the y-intercept? What is the y-intercept? Punya?
2b.
Yes, it is 2b. Okay. So x-intercept is 2a and y-intercept is 2b. Okay, this is the figure we are getting here. This line cuts the axis at A and we are getting the A point as 2a, 0. And the point B is 0, 2b. So x-intercept is 2a, y-intercept is 2b. So in intercept form, what is the equation of line? What is the equation of the line? In intercept form.
X by a plus y by b is equal to 1.
Where x by a plus y by b is 1. So x by 2a plus y by 2b is equal to 1 because the x-intercept is here 2a, y-intercept is 2b. Okay. From here, if you multiply by 2, you'll get x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. Whether we are getting the required condition, that's what we have to prove, isn't it? We have to prove the equation of the line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. Is it okay? Nia? Rijas?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear, children? Either we can do this by using intercept form or once again you can use 2-point form. 2 points are given. So we can use the 2 points form and you can find the equation of straight line. 2-point form, y minus y1 by y2 minus y1. That form also we can use and we can prove this results. Is it okay, Achyut? Achyut, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Anila, Mohanan, is it clear? Is it okay, Anila, Mohanan? Okay, complete this one, children. Okay, we are using midpoint formula and we are using midpoint formula as well as we are using the intercept form to find the equation of the line here. Is it okay? Copied? Is it over, children? Or copied that one? Annette? Yes. Write the next one, children. Write the next one. Next heading. General equation of a line. General equation of a line.